going to do the book back exercise which is in your book page number 97. In the previous video we have learned about the three forms of future tense. So let me give you the short recap on future tense first. What is the future tense or future time? Yes, future time means when we are talking about an action which is going to be happen, okay, which is going to happen later or tomorrow or afterwards, means these things are the future time actions only, future tense only, in which we have learned about the three forms. Am I right? So in class 4 you may have learned only about the future tense, but in class 5 we are going to learn the three forms of future tense. And what are they? Yes, they are will, then be plus going to, and last be plus verb plus ing. So these three are the forms of future tense. So what are the functions we have learned in the previous video? Yes, for the functions for will be, it is used to talk about the future fact or future plan, okay, and also it can be used to talk about the possibility in the future. When we are talking about any action which can be possible, which can possible in the future, no, there also we can use will. And when we are talking about the future plan or future fact, in those places also we can use the verb will only, okay, to represent the future tense. And what about be plus going to and be plus verb plus ing? Yes, these two stands for the definite future plan. When we are talking about the future plan which is going to be happen definitely, okay, for those areas we can use be plus going to, and also we can use be plus verb plus ing. So I hope you are clear with the functions of these three forms. If you have not watched the previous video, please do watch video so that it will be very easy for you. Okay, this exercise will be easy for you only. Okay, so let's start doing the exercise. So let me read out the Roman for you. Write what each form of verb means in the sentences below. So here they have used the three forms of verbs in this sentences. You need to find out which function is happening. Already we know about the function. There are three functions, that is future fact or future plan, and then possibility, and then will be definite future plan. And for which verb which function will be happen, that also we have learned. Am I right? In the sentence, if you find the verb will, means it may be talk about future fact or future plan or possibility in the future. Suppose if you find a sentence which comes with be plus going to or be plus verb plus ing, means it is definitely going to talk about a definite future plan only. So you are going to write the function only in the dashes, okay, in the blanks. So shall we start with the exercise? Okay, so there are 7 questions on the board. I am going to read out one by one, okay. So let me read out the first question for you, that is we will take a taxi if it rains heavily. We will take a taxi if it rains heavily. It means நான் வந்து rain அதிகமா மழை அதிகமா வந்துச்சுனா நான் வந்து taxi வந்து பிடிப்பேன், taxiல வந்து நான் போவேன். This is the Tamil translation for this first sentence. So can you tell me which future verb is available? Which future verb is present in the first sentence? Yes, that is will. See, will here will represent the future tense. It means that if it is rains only, we will take a taxi. மழை பெஞ்சா மட்டும் தான் நாங்க டாக்ஸி எடுப்போம் அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, so can you tell me from this three function, which function is happening for the verb will, whether future fact or future plan or possibility? Yes, here they are talking about the possibility only. So மழை வந்து பெய்யலாம், அதுக்கு வந்து possible இருக்கு. So அப்படி மழை பெஞ்சிச்சுனா நாங்க டாக்ஸில போவோம், அதுதான் meaning. So here the function of the will be what? Yes, very good, that is a possibility in the future. I am going to write a possibility in the future, or else you can write only possibility. Okay, we can leave by the saying this possibility only. Okay, a possibility. Okay, a possibility. The function of this will here, it is used to talk about a possibility only. 1 hour. Here they are telling that டாக்டர் வந்து இன்னும் 1 hourல உங்களை வந்து மீட் பண்ணுவாரு, உங்களை வந்து சந்திப்பாரு அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகே, so here can you find out the future verb, any will or be plus going to or be plus verb plus ing, any form? Yes, here you can say after the subject only it is going to be present. Here I can find the verb that is will only, and we need to find out which function is happening here. Are they talking about any possibility? No, they are not talking about any possibility, but they are talking about the future fact, that is which is going to be happen only. Okay, that's வந்து உண்மை தான். Okay, டாக்டர் 1 hour நீங்க இருங்க, 1 hourல டாக்டர் வந்துடுவாரு அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு மீனிங் இருக்கு இல்லையா? This meaning stand for future fact only. Future fact means what? ஒன்று வந்து நடக்க போகுது, அது வந்து உண்மையாக அது நடக்க போகுது, ஒரு உண்மையான விஷயம் அது நடக்க போகிறது, அதுதான் வந்து ஃபியூச்சர் ஃபேக்டோடைய மீனிங். ஓகே, ஸோ ஹியர் த டாக்டர் வில் மீட், அப்போனா டாக்டர் வில் மீட்ங்கிறது என்னது? டாக்டர் வந்து உங்களை கண்டிப்பாக சந்திப்பாரு, ஆனால் எப்போ? ஆஃப்டர் 1 hour தான். அப்போ திஸ் வில் ஸ்டாண்ட் ஃபார் தி ஃபங்க்ஷன் தட் இஸ் ஃபியூச்சர் ஃபேக்ட் வேல்யூ. ஸோ டைரக்ட்லி ஐ அம் கோயிங் டு ரைட் தட் இஸ் ஃபியூச்சர் ஃபேக்ட். Future fact. Are you clear, children? First you need to read out the sentences, get the meaning in your mind, and just find out the future verb present in the sentences. If the verb stand for will means if there are 3 functions for the will, you need to choose the suitable function for the sentences only. For the verbs be plus going to or be plus any verb plus ing, the function will be a definite future plan only. There will be no changes. But while we are talking about the sentence which will comes with will, there may be 3 functions. You need to choose according to the sentences only. Okay. So let's go for the third one. Lalit will be an astronaut. Lalit will be an astronaut. Lalit வந்து astronaut ஆவான். Okay, astronaut future ல ஆவான். Here which is the future verb after the subject? Yes, will be or will. Okay, so here we have found the verb that is will. So here they are talking about the what? They are talking that Lalit may be, he will become, it means what? He will become an astronaut, but in the future only. அவன் வந்து astronaut ஆவான். எப்போ ஆவான்? வந்து ஒரு futureல ஆவான். So here they are talking about their plan only. Am I right? They are talking about their plan. So when they are talking about their plan, the function of this will be what? Future plan only. So I am going to write the answer, that is future plan. Why didn't I choose the future fact? Can you tell me, ma'am? நீங்க future fact கூட எழுதலாமே ma'am. லலித் வந்து கண்டிப்பா அவன் வந்து futureல வந்து astronaut ஆகலாமே, அது உண்மைதானே நீங்க நினைக்கலாம். But we don't know whether he will become an astronaut or not. It will based on in the future only. In the future only we can see. So here they are just planning only. Okay, that is why I have written this is, they are talking about the future plan only, which will happen alone. Then we can say that there will be the future fact. But here this will stand for the future plan only. I hope you are getting the answer. Let's move for fourth one. Rahat is telling Suhana, I am going to repair your laptop. Suhana, I am going to repair your laptop. So என்ன சொல்றாங்க சுஹானா கிட்ட ரஹத், சுஹானா நான் வந்து உன்னுடைய லேப்டாப்பை வந்து ரிப்பேர் பண்ண போறேன். ஓகே, லேப்டாப்பை ரிப்பேர் பண்ண நான் போறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. So can you find the future verb here? I can't find any will, so it may be plus going to or be plus verb plus ing. Do you remember what this be stands for? Yes, be stands for is, am, are or was, were only. So can you find any is, am, are or was, were? Yes, here see this I am, in short they have written am going to. It means what? Be plus going to. This verb stands for future only. So when we are talking about a sentence which comes with be plus going to, here am plus going to means the function will be what? Definite future plan only. So without thinking we can directly write they are talking about the future plan only, which is definite future plan. Okay, let's move on the fifth question. சிவா கேக்குறாங்க நீங்க எப்போ வந்து ரோம்க்கு போவீங்க அப்படினு கேக்குறாங்க ஓகேவா எப்போ நீங்க போவீங்க so here first you need to find out the verb which is the future verb when I mean there I can't find any will can you find the verb will no can you find any going to no then which verb then we need to search for this form only that is be means what am is are or was were and any verb which comes with ing can you find any verb which comes ing yes here it is and it should come with the a be form only so here is the be form or leaving so when are you leaving Rome it stands for the third form and it also means that he is asking about the future plan நீ வந்து எப்போ ரோம்க்கு போக போற which is going to his plan only right அவன் எப்போ போக போறான்னு நமக்கு தெரியும் he may plan right which is going to happen in the future only so it is the function of this sentence will be what definite future plan so definite future plan is the correct function for this sentence okay so let's go for sixth one the movie will release tomorrow the movie will release tomorrow so here first you need to find out the verb future verb so here we can easily find out the verb will stand for the future tense only and the meaning for this sentence will be movie வந்து நாளைக்கு வந்து ரிலீஸ் ஆக போகுது okay movie ஒரு படம் வந்து நாளைக்கு ரிலீஸ் ஆக போகுது it means what they are talking about the future fact பண்ணியது நான் கண்டிப்பா நாளைக்கு ரிலீஸ் ஆக போகுதுனா அது கண்டிப்பா ஆகும் ரைட் அதுல எதுமே பிளானிங்லாம் கிடையாது நாளைக்கு அது கண்டிப்பா மூவி வந்து ரிலீஸ் ஆக போகுது then the function of the will stand for future fact so in the dash I am going to write the future fact let's go for last one the Olympics will be held in our country next year Olympics game வந்து எங்க countryல next year அடுத்த வருஷம் நடக்க போகுது அது வந்து கண்டிப்பா நடக்க போகுது because here they have used the will only the function for the will be what future fact or future plan so here I can write the function what children yes future fact only because once we have plan means which is going to be happen only am I right once the government has fixed something no that will be happen for sure only so here this Olympic game will be held in their country that is stands for fact only okay so I hope you are clear with this topic children and also about this exercise just remember that first you need to find out the future verbs just put underline and get the meaning of the sentences and then you need to find out which function is happening for which verb if you find out the future verb will means there are three functions can be suitable for will you need to find out whether they are talking about future fact or future plan or they are talking about any possibility these three functions stand for the will verb only okay and when you find any verb which comes with going to that is be plus going to or be plus verb plus ing means that function will be only one that is they are definitely going to talk about the definite future plan only so I hope you are clear with this exercise I'll see you in the next video children thank you